Hey y'all, it's Shay from Lace Point Resin, and I am back with another pour. So today we are back with another cheese board. Last one was the skinny one, so this one's a little bit larger, a little bit wider. And as you can see, today is a dirty pour. So for anyone who doesn't know, dirty pour is just when you pour all of your resin, your pigments and resin into one cup and do just a straight out pour with everything in there. So this one I'm only using two colors. It is Beetle Blue from Eye Candy Pigments, and I cannot remember the other one, so I will add that to the description box. When I do dirty pours, I don't have any specific and special way of doing it. I just go straight from the cup to the canvas, whatever that canvas may be. I did tilt the board once I got the resin down. I wanted to both mix the colors a little bit more as well as spread the resin a little more on the board without covering it entirely. So once you are done with that, make sure you keep the board flat so that it doesn't keep spreading. Remember, resin only goes where resin has been, so it won't spread too much if the board is dry already. Here I'm just adding white pigment, making sure I just mix that all in. You may have noticed in the lower section of the board and on the side that's like lower on the screen, on your screen right now, that you can see the board. All I did was use the heat gun to push some of the resin back in so that the board was more visible. When the resin is thinned out and heated up, it's a lot easier to do that, so that's all I did. This is one of those times where I didn't have an idea on how I wanted to place the crushed glass, so I was winging it and seeing how it turned out. Once I finished and figured out where I wanted it to be, then I just drizzled the resin on top to make sure that it stuck. although it did ultimately bleed over onto some of the wood sections when I poured my top coat, and as I'm spreading it, I'm not explicitly going over the wood sections. I'm trying to avoid that. As the resin levels itself out, it is going to bleed a little bit just so that it can level out, but I did not try to do that on purpose. And here we have the final board. I think it came out really pretty. It's really simple to do. I think the three colors meshed very well for this, and it has a really good contrast on the darker wood. So I really liked how this came out. I hope you liked it also. So please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye. I would love for y'all to come visit me at lacepointresin.com. You will be able to contact me for commissions as well as find all of the artwork that's available for purchase. That includes gallery art, table and kitchen decor, the latest of my NFL series, crystals, and where I get my pigments. Or if you just want to get to know me, that's there too. You can also add your email to the Lace Point Collectors Club for updates. Hope to see you.